Hey there guys, this is Day. We are making an adorable Hello Kitty cute Cheetos paper squishy DIY. Without any delay, let's dive into it. First of all, I'm taking one white sheet of paper and drawing the sketch of Hello Kitty Cheetos paper squishy so that mistakes are easy to fix later. Now it's time to highlight everything carefully with a black pointer. After highlighting everything carefully with a black pointer, now erase the lead pencil marks carefully and blow the eraser trash out of paper. Now comes my favorite part, coloring. Now let's apply transparent glass tape all over it to make it shiny, waterproof and strong enough not to tear easily. Now let's cut the Cheetos shape out of paper with a scissor. For the back side, I am taking another white sheet of paper and placing the front side downward on it and trace all the lines around it with lead pencil. Now let's highlight it with black pointer after erasing the lead pencil marks with eraser. Apply transparent tape all over it and cut it out of paper. Both sides are ready, time to join the both front and the back side together, but make sure to leave a small opening for the filling. After filling the soft stuffing, that could be cotton, tissues or any other soft material inside, seal the last opening. And ta-da! Our Hello Kitty Cheetos paper squishy is finally here.